Hello students, in this video I will talk about writing skills. Now writing skills are very important for a student and it carries 16 marks. In 4A you have 3 options, 4B you have 3 options, 4C you have 3 options as well as in 4D you have 3 options. Now I would suggest the students that in the beginning only please decide what are the writing skills that you want to attempt. Please don't go in the examination hall and then think over it. Each writing skill which you are willing to attempt, at least try to solve 3 questions based on that topic. The questions which I have written in bold, I would suggest the students to attempt them because they are easier as well as it takes less time to attempt them. In this video, I am going to talk about virtual message. What is virtual message? It is a mode of communication that includes the use of technology to communicate with people who are not physically present. The content carries 2 marks. The sequence or flow of ideas carries 1 mark. Appropriateness carries 1 mark. So in total, you get 4 marks. Now let us talk about the format. First, you have to write down the date, then time, name of the person to whom message is directed. Then comes the body of the message. Then comes the name of the writer or sender. The word limit which the board has suggested is 100 to 150 words, and the most important thing is one and only one paragraph. Don't write anything on your own. Write only important details. New information should not be added and use indirect speech. The first question I have taken from the question bank. The question is, imagine you have to leave early from home for a guest lecture. Draft a message in about 100 to 150 words to convey the same to your friend. Give reasons to support your answer. Students, I have written first the date, then the time. The message is addressed to Ankit. Then comes the message and then the sender's name, which is your friend Mohan. The second question which I have taken is also from the question bank. Imagine that you have won 2 entry tickets to a popular drama in a theater near you this weekend. Draft a message in about 100 to 150 words to convey the incredible news to your best friend. Once again in answer, I have first written the date, then the time, the name of the person, Ankit, then comes the message, and then in the end I have written the sender's name. Students, please go through it. Try to write it on your own, and I'm sure in the exam you will be able to write it properly. Thank you.